Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing? So today's video is a very quick update on how I'm coming along with the complex biotin that I did a initial review on for you guys a couple of days ago. And I quickly just wanted to bring you guys this update to show you what I've been experiencing since taking the Revly's Biotin Complex supplements, which this brand is an Amazon brand. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before we move forward, let me just give a warm welcome to the new people that decided to stop by and check out today's video. I am so grateful and I'm so thankful that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So I hope by the end of this video you give it a great big thumbs up to show your support. Also, you guys hit that bell's notification so that you can stay updated and alerted of new videos that are released each and every week for you. And lastly, hit that subscribe button because I love you now, because you decided to stop here and I want you to be a part of our Tulip Nation. Okay, you guys, so you're probably wondering why I got this camera just specifically focused on my face. Is because that's what we're gonna talk about, is my face. But just a quick recap, if you're interested in wanting to hear about my initial review of the Revly's Biotin Complex supplements, I will have a card somewhere here or here, somewhere at the top for you to click on and check out that video. And again, it's just an initial review. It is quite early in the game since I have been taking this supplement, so I can't give you a true in-depth review as it relates to how it's this supplement being beneficial to my hair. Plus I got protective braids. But as I have mentioned to you guys in numerous biotin videos that I've done, is that I tend to have a reaction or a side effect from taking that particular supplement, biotin. The reaction that I typically experience is not uncommon. This is one of the side effects that you can experience when taking biotin. And it could just be the MCG levels of the biotin that's causing me to have these effects, or it just could be some of the other vitamins that are incorporated into the supplement and it just creates a bad reaction for me. I'm not really sure. I have taken supplements with biotin before for purposes of hair, and I did not experience any of what I'm experiencing now. So I just wanted to throw that out there. So if you are checking out this video regarding Revly's today, to give you an idea as to what it looks like, this is it. Okay, and as you guys can see, let me see if you can see. As you guys can see, I have most certainly been taking these. Okay, this is a 30-day supply. I received my supplements on Thursday of last week and I started taking it that date that it arrived. So it's been about 4 days now. It's Sunday, so it's been about 4 days now, and after 4 days I am experiencing pimples. And this is not that time of the month, so I can only say that it is my body's reaction to taking biotin. As you guys can see here, I am starting to get a pimple and it hurts. It hurts. It's starting to hurt because it is starting to push through the skin and I guess reveal itself, for better lack of words. But this is what has happened to me after 4 days of taking the Revly's. So just FYI, keep in mind if you decided to go with this brand of biotin or another brand of biotin supplements, pimples can be a side effect that you may or may not experience. This is one of the reasons why I highly recommend that you take in a lot of water whenever you're taking any type of supplement, because I feel that you would get your best results when you incorporate water into your supplement routine. However, although I have been doing that, this is just my body's reaction to biotin. So unfortunately, I don't have a way around that. However, again, it's different for everybody. So everybody may not experience this same side effect. However, I will still continue to keep you guys posted on my 30-day journey of taking the Revly or Revly, not even really sure of the pronunciation, biotin complex supplements, and let you guys know what my thoughts are. And this is not a bad batch, you guys. This doesn't expire until next year. So, yeah, it's just definitely my body just doesn't do well with certain brands of biotin supplements. Just bottom line. Now, if you are uncertain about if you want to take the Revly biotin complex supplements, there are other supplements that I have taken where I saw traumatic hair growth within a short span of time. If you're interested in learning about those particular hair growth supplements, I will have a card link above for you to click on that to hear what my reviews were about those particular supplements. That concludes today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.